Hey guys, what's up? So I was just with my grenade candy until I suddenly realized I always want to know if I open this thing up, like this thing right here. Let's try it. So I'm just gonna place my phone here. Here, careful. Alright, let's see. Whoa. No way. They're open. That's sick, man. Alright, make it wanna be if I take a shot of this. Let's try it. I think I'm looking kinda scared of drinking all this. What if I might feel sick? Fine, let's try. 3, 2, 1. Oh, damn! Yeah, I don't think it was kind of bad. Oh, hope you guys like and subscribe to this video. Oh, if you guys watch my first video, please watch it and like and subscribe. If you wanna comment, don't say mean things, alright? Goodbye. Wait, before I end this, let's switch this up so I can use this as a toy. Okay, so it's filled out now. Oh, damn. Okay, good. I'll just hold on to it now. We're gonna watch this. Alright, guys, so we're gonna wait till it dries up. See you guys later. Goodbye.